Hey everybody, it's Tim from Workshop 12 coming live from my condo apartment here. Just want to give everybody a quick update of what's going on. So this week we should have updates for the 370Z drawings, so we can get some concept art on how it's going to look for the dashboard. Should also be getting the rough 3D models for the Nemesis R1 as well. It'll be kind of a rough basis to get started with. And so we'll be going through some of that stuff. Other things coming ahead this week, we're actually getting the transmission swapped into the Nemesis, doing a little bit of wiring on there as well. And really good news is actually I've got shop space to be able to work on the Nemesis myself, so we can put a lot of how-to articles and show how that vehicle is coming together, as well as some space to work on things like Brainiac, different things that we need to do. So that way we don't have things like my apartment where I have loads of stuff for the Nemesis piled up in here, from shifter boxes to lighting to parts of Brainiac that we've got sitting around here. So these things will all be able to go over into the new shop. So we will be able to take a look. We'll get that all set up in the next couple weeks, get the car in there, get some fabrication going on, give you some ideas behind that as well. So that stuff's all underway. And Brian, don't worry, I haven't forgot about you either. Still working on the relay stuff for Brainiac. So the software, we still have an update coming up where it'll work with multiple different tablets. Looks like the community has spoken up and said they wanted the Galaxy Tab A as the tablet of choice for the 370Z. So we'll likely be going with that. So I need to pick up one of those and get that over to Matt so that they can scan it and take a look at how that's all going to fit inside of the dashboard there as well. So all those things are going on, and we're still working through the circuitry for the FRS BRZ climate control, the automatic dual zone climate control, to see if we can get that working. We've tried a couple of different attempts with some different boards, so we're kind of in a few different revisions seeing how that's actually going to work out for us. So I might be able to go over to Rob's and take a look at his Mad Scientist little layer that he has where he works on the circuitry. Maybe we might be able to get an update there as well. So lots of things going on. Other thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a lot more content up on our YouTube channel. So a lot of behind the scenes, how things are coming together, how-to, showing how we're making things work, as well as going to put up some old footage. So we've got a bunch of videos from kind of where we all got started. So Rob and I kind of got started on this whole Workshop 12 journey by automating different systems of a Batmobile that I had built over the last few years. So we have some different footage of how we were automating that, some of the circuitry that we're using, which is kind of fun stuff to take a look at as well. So we're going to pop some of that up on the YouTube channel for everybody to see. But stay tuned, we should have some more things going on this week, being able to bring some more content. Again, like I said, we're going to try to put a lot more up onto the YouTube channel, snackable bits so that you're able to see what's all going on, follow along and see the progress of things coming along for our different Brainiac projects as well. Like I said, if you want to get updates on these things, please subscribe and you'll get notifications whenever we got new content up there. Thanks a lot.